हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लीगल नोट्स। इस वीडियो में आपको 80 एमसीक्यू मिलेंगे प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स और प्रोफेशनल अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम के। एडवोकेट एक्ट्स 1961 केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन 19 मई 1961. The maximum limit of the members of the State Bar Council is 25. The Supreme Court held in B.C. Rangadurai versus D. Gopalan that an advocate who has been disbarred from practice must prove after expiration of reasonable length of time that he possesses the good character necessary to guarantee uprightness and honor in his professional dealings. PIL is criticized on the ground of all of the above. Filing with the court to object one's or another's imprisonment is called habeas corpus, in which case did the Supreme Court hold that misconduct envisages breach of discipline. Nuratan Mal Chauraria versus M.R. Murli. What is the punishment for advocates if the establishment finding of the Bar Council is misappropriation? All of the above. The Bar Council of India is a statutory body that regulates and represents the Indian Bar. It was established under Section 4 of the Advocate Act 1961. Which of the following are advocates' duty towards the client? All of the above. In which year Parliament introduced the Advocates Welfare Fund Act 2001. Advocates, to be the only recognized class of persons entitled to practice law, is provided in Section 29 of the Advocate Act 1961. According to Justice Abbott Perry, what are the 7 lamps of the advocacy? Honesty, courage, industry, wit, eloquence, judgment, fellowship. Which section of the Contempt of Court Act 1971 defined the contempt of court? Section 2A. Which section of the Contempt of Court Act 1971 defined the criminal contempt? Section 2C. Which section of the Contempt of Court Act 1971 deals with defenses of criminal contempt? Section 3 to 7. Advocate rights are provided in Advocate Act 1961 under which section? Section 23, Section 30, Section 33. All of the above. Question 17. Which of the following case relating to professional misconduct? Prahalad Saran Gupta versus Bar Council of India. 18. In which section of Contempt of Court Act 1971 provides procedure where contempt is in the face of the court? Section 14. 19. Duties of an advocate towards colleagues prescribed in Bar Council of the India Rules 1976, Chapter 2nd, Section 4th. A jus in personam means a right against a specific person. 21. Retention of money deposited with advocate for the decree holder even after execution proceeding was held as an instance of misconduct in which case? Prahalad Saran Gupta versus Bar Council of India. 22. Pick out the case that is popularly called as the solicitor's case. National Union of Commercial Employees versus Industrial Tribunal Bombay. 23. Vikramadit versus Srimati Jamila Khatun is an important case relating to professional misconduct due to which factor? Defrauding the client by exploiting the client's illiteracy. 24. Which section of Advocate Acts provides punishment for misconduct of advocates? Section 35. Retirement age of the Supreme Court judge is 65 years. Section 24A of the Advocate Acts 1961 provides the none of the above. The lawyer's first duty is to the court. The power of admission to the practice of law by the Supreme Court is a constitutional power. 29. Who prescribes jurisprudence as lawyer's extraversion? Julius Stone. 30. Which of the following writ is a bulwark of personal freedom? Habeas corpus. Freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse throughout the territory of India is mentioned under Article 301. Act of court can do no wrong to any person. Which concept relates to this ideology? Restitution. Principle of res judicata is Mandatory. Indian Council of Legal Aid and Advice versus BCI case deals with the issue of prescribing age bar on enrollment of advocates. V. Mishra is a popular case on the point of contempt of court. Writ of certiorari is issued against lower courts or quasi-judicial bodies. Who among the following is not a public servant, secretary of a cooperative society? Which section of the Advocate Act deals with Bar Council to be the body corporate? Section 5. Which of the following committee cannot be constituted by the State Bar Council? Legal Education Committee. Section 12 of the Advocate Act 1961 deals with accounts and audit. Section 7. Lamp of advocacy is attributable to Justice Abbott Parry. This section of the Advocate Act 1961 deals with general power of the Bar Council of India to make rules. Section 49. When was the Contempt of Court Act introduced? 1971. The Bar Council of India consists of the following as ex officio member, both A and B. This section of Advocate Act 1961 provides power to the Bar Council of India to make rules. Section 28. Indian Bar Committee was constituted first time under the chairmanship of Sri Edward Charnier in the year 1923. This section of the Advocate Act 1961 deals with the constitution of legal aid committees. Section 9A. Which of the following rules of chapter 2nd of a part 4th of the Bar Council deal with the duty of an advocate in respect of any money received by him from client? Rule 5. Which of the following provision of the Advocate Act provides for the power of Bar Council of India to withdraw to itself any proceedings for disciplinary actions pending before the State Bar Council? Section 36(2). According to Section 49 of the Advocate Act 1961, the Bar Council of India has the power to make rules. Above all, the Bar Council of India has to lay down the standards of professional conduct and etiquette for the advocates under Section 7(1)(b) of the Advocate Act 1961. Section 23 of the Contempt of Court Acts deals with power of the Supreme Court and High Court to make rules. Act not applied to Nyay Panchayats or other village court is provided in Section 21. Section 17 of the Contempt of Court Act provides procedure after cognizance. This section of the Advocate Act 1961 deals with senior and other advocates. Section 19. Power of disciplinary committee under the Advocate Act 1961 is provided under Section 42. Section 25 of the Advocate Act 1961 deals with authority to whom applications for enrollment may be made. This section under the Advocate Act deals with disqualification as to enrollment. Section 24A. Punishment of the advocate for misconduct is provided in Section 35. This section of the Contempt of Court Act 1971 deals with the fair criticism of judicial act, not contempt. Section 5. Section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971 deals with punishment for contempt of court. This section of the Contempt of Court Act deals with the publication of information relating to proceedings in chamber or in camera, not contempt except in certain cases. Section 7. Section 10 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971 deals with power of the High Court to punish contempt of a subordinate court. Section 10 of the Advocate Act 1961 deals with constitution of committee other than disciplinary committee. In which famous case this issue had come up, whether the advocates had committed a professional misconduct and is guilty of the offence of the criminal contempt of the court for having with obstructed the course of justice by trying to threaten, overawe and overbear the court by using insulting, disrespectful and threatening language. In reference to Vinay Chandra Mishra, State Bar Council under the provisions of Section 35 of the Advocate Act 1961 has the authority to all of these. Duty of an advocate towards his client is detailed out in which Rule 11 to 23. Who has the authority of prescribed qualification and disqualifications for membership of Bar Council? Bar Council of India. Section 42 of the Advocate Acts provides power of disciplinary committee. For transfer of the role from one state to another, an application is made to the Bar Council of India. Any person aggrieved by an order made by the disciplinary committee of the Bar Council under Section 36 or 37 may prefer an appeal to be at Supreme Court. Which is the correct statement with regard to the professional ethics of a lawyer? All of the above. Which of the body that awards punishment to the advocates for misconduct? Disciplinary committee. When did the Contempt of Court 1971 came into force? 24 December 1971. The contempt of courts belongs to none of these. The designation senior advocate is provided under section 16 of Advocate Act. Disciplinary Committee of the Bar Council has conferred the power of civil court under Code of Civil Procedure 1908 by section 42 of Advocate Act. Which of the following can be done by a senior advocate in accordance with the rules of Bar Council of India? Make concessions on behalf of client on instructions from junior advocate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.